Welcome back. Here's what's making headlines today.
China is gearing up to officially unveil its HQ-29 anti-ballistic missile defense system, expected to intercept medium-range ballistic threats and even targets in low space orbit. Seen as a dual-role upgrade alongside HQ-19 and HQ-26, this marks China's push toward integrated missile and space defense. According to SIPRI's 2025 yearbook, India now maintains approximately 180 nuclear warheads compared to Pakistan's 170, marking the first time New Delhi has edged ahead. The gap reflects India's focus on canisterized, ready-to-launch tactical systems. India and France officially launched the Rafale Marine program on June 20 at the Paris Air Show. This deal formalizes the acquisition of 26 carrier-capable Rafale M jets, offering enhanced maritime air power for India's Navy. Following Europe's Anduril Rheinmetall drone technology pact, Pakistan's defense sector is pursuing similar UAV partnerships to develop indigenous systems. Islamabad aims to build scalable loitering munitions and defense drones with local and foreign expertise.
You're watching Pakistangeo Defence Update, your front row seat to global defense power shifts. Stay tuned for full headlines. Don't forget to subscribe.
Armed robberies in the Straits of Malacca and Singapore are rising sharply, with nearly double the number of incidents reported compared to last year. The Singapore Strait alone has become a hotspot for nighttime attacks on small merchant vessels. These waters are among the busiest shipping lanes in the world, handling global trade for countries like China, Japan, and India. Regional navies from Singapore, Indonesia, and Malaysia are stepping up joint patrols to combat piracy. Analysts warn that the spike in maritime crime could pose a serious threat to supply chain security and regional stability if left unchecked. During the CANSEC 2025 Defense Expo, Pakistani military officials closely observed Canada's newly developed counter-unmanned aerial system vehicle. Designed to detect, track, and neutralize enemy drones, the vehicle is equipped with advanced radar systems, jammers, and autonomous targeting tech. Pakistani interest centered around its use in rugged and high-threat areas like the Lok and western frontiers. With drone warfare becoming more frequent, this technology could support Pakistan's effort to modernize its low-altitude air defense and electronic warfare capabilities through indigenous or collaborative platforms. Pakistan has officially fielded the SH-15 155mm 52 caliber self-propelled howitzers, marking a major upgrade in its artillery capability. Mounted on a 6x6 truck chassis, the SH-15 offers unmatched mobility across diverse terrains from deserts to mountainous zones. Its automated ammunition handling system allows for rapid sustained firing with minimal crew fatigue. With a range exceeding 50 kilometers using rocket-assisted projectiles, it outclasses traditional towed systems. The digital fire control system enables precise targeting, quick deployment, and shoot-and-scoot tactics, critical in modern battlefield scenarios. A major leap in maritime surveillance. Project Mehran-II is now operational along the Arabian Sea. Using advanced naval drones with radar and EO payloads, the system enables real-time tracking of vessels, smuggling routes, and strategic choke points. Operated by Pakistan's Naval Command with indigenous tech support, this drone network covers Gwadar to Ormara with autonomous mission scheduling. As maritime threats increase in the Indian Ocean region, Mehran-II forms a digital shield around CPEC sea lanes and naval assets. The system is expected to evolve with AI-aided threat recognition and autonomous swarm deployment. Pakistan's defense industry has achieved a major milestone as NRTC and SUPARCO jointly unveil a satellite-guided rocket artillery system with a range exceeding 500 kilometers. The system integrates INS GPS hybrid navigation using PACSAT satellite constellation for mid-course corrections and high-precision terminal guidance. With a circular error probable, CEP, under 10 meters, it's optimized for high-value, fixed-target elimination, including airbases, logistics hubs, and radar installations. The launch platform supports multi-launch capability, encrypted command links, and network-centric coordination with battlefield ISR assets. This development marks a leap in indigenous long-range precision strike capability, significantly upgrading Pakistan's strategic depth and deterrence posture. In a major strategic shift, Pakistan, Turkey, and Azerbaijan have signed a trilateral defense pact focused on joint development of advanced UAV and tactical missile systems. The collaboration will integrate Pakistan's electronics and propulsion expertise, Turkey's proven UAV platforms like Bayraktar TBU and Akinci, and Azerbaijan's combat deployment experience. On the missile front, the alliance targets precision-guided tactical missile systems with joint R&D in seeker tech, multi-platform integration, and long-range strike capabilities exceeding 250 kilometers. A shared production framework is also planned, incorporating encrypted command systems, satellite guidance, and modular airframe design. This pact represents more than defense, it's a step toward a joint defense industrial ecosystem, enhancing regional interoperability and long-term strategic deterrence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. Like this video to show your support. And don't forget to answer today's question.